Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing one of the most important topics when it comes to personal finance. Stop wasting money. In this video, we will be looking at some common mistakes that people make when it comes to their money and how to avoid them. So, let's get started. The first mistake that people make when it comes to their money is not having a budget. Without a budget, it's impossible to know where your money is going and how much you have left to spend. So, the first step towards stopping wasting money is creating a budget. This can be done by writing down all of your income and expenses, and then tracking your spending. The second mistake that people make when it comes to their money is overspending. We live in a consumer-driven society where we are constantly bombarded with advertisements and marketing messages that encourage us to buy more. It's easy to get caught up in this and end up spending more money than we can afford. To avoid overspending, it's important to set limits for yourself. You can do this by setting a monthly spending limit or by only using cash instead of credit cards. It's also important to differentiate between your needs and wants. While it's okay to treat yourself occasionally, you should avoid making impulse purchases. The third mistake that people make when it comes to their money is paying unnecessary fees. Many banks and credit card companies charge fees for various services, such as ATM withdrawals or balance transfers. While these fees may seem small, they can add up quickly over time. To avoid paying unnecessary fees, it's important to read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions of your accounts. Look for accounts that offer free services, such as free ATM withdrawals or no balance transfer fees. You can also avoid fees by using cash instead of credit cards or by using online banking services. The fourth mistake that people make when it comes to their money is not taking advantage of discounts and coupons. Many retailers offer discounts and coupons that can help you save money on your purchases. However, many people don't take advantage of these offers and end up paying full price. To take advantage of discounts and coupons, it's important to do your research and look for deals before you make a purchase. You can also sign up for loyalty programs or email newsletters to receive exclusive offers and discounts. You can also use apps and websites that offer coupons and discount codes. The fifth and final mistake that people make when it comes to their money is not saving enough. Many people live paycheck to paycheck and don't have any savings to fall back on in case of an emergency. This can lead to financial stress and even debt. To avoid this, it's important to make saving a priority. You can do this by setting up automatic savings transfers or by setting a savings goal for yourself. You can also look for ways to cut back on your expenses, such as by eating out less or by canceling subscriptions you don't use. And that's it for today's video on Stop Wasting Money. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can take control of your finances and start building a better future for yourself. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.